Welcome. Dear students, I am Dr. Arun Kumar, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, Savitri Institute of Technology. In this video, I will be discussing how to solve a first order first degree ordinary differential equations using predictor corrector methods. So according to our video syllabus, there are two predictor corrector methods. So under that, the first one is Milne's predictor corrector method. So we'll see what is a predictor formula first. Predictor formula: y4 power p equals y0 plus 4h by 3 into 2y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2y3 dash. And the corrector formula is y4 power c equals y2 plus h by 3 into y2 dash plus 4y3 dash plus y4 dash. So there are two relations here, one for prediction, one for correction. So easy to remember. See here, y0 plus 4h by 3. This is y2 plus h by 3. So this is alternatives, plus minus plus 212. This is 141. You can remember like this. The second predictor corrector method we have in our syllabus is Adams-Bashforth predictor corrector method. Predictor formula: y4 power p equals y3 plus h by 24 into 55 y3 dash minus 59 y2 dash plus 37 y1 dash minus 9 y0 dash. So this is Adams-Bashforth predictor formula. Similarly, the corrector formula: y4 power c equals is y3 plus h by 24 9y4 dash plus 19y3 dash minus 5y2 dash plus y1 dash. So these are the relations for predictor and corrector in case of Adams-Bashforth method. So these numbers remember carefully. So this is how we can define our Milne's and Adams-Bashforth predictor corrector methods formulae, where this H represents a step length. Now let us discuss how to use these formulae while solving a problem. So I'll name it as working procedure. So this is a stepwise procedure to solve a problem by using predictor corrector method. So it may be Milne's method or Adams-Bashforth method. This procedure is common. It is applicable for both the methods here. Step 1. Given an IVP, initial value problem, means a differential equation with initial condition will be given to us. We prepare a table consisting the values of x, y and y dash. So y dash means the given differential equation will be there. Y dash is equal to. So prepare a table consisting three columns. First column for x, second column for y, third column for y dash. Step 2, we find the value of y4 from the predictor formula. Let us use the predictor formula. It may be Milne's or Adams-Bashforth, and we find the value of y4 from that, y4 power p. Now step 3, we use the predicted value y4, whatever we got here, and we find the value of y4 dash using the given relation. Y4 dash equals f of x4 comma y4. Step 4, we apply corrector formula and find the corrected value of y4 power c. So first find the predictor value, using that find y4 dash, using that y4 dash find the corrected value. Step 5, we use corrected value of y4, whatever we got in step 4, and we find the value of y4 dash again using the same formula. Y4 dash is f of x4 comma y4, but this y4 we have to use from step 4, character value. Next, step 6, again we apply character formula. So while applying character formula, that y4 dash, which is obtained from step 5, will be used here. Apply character formula once again and find the corrected value of y4. So that means predictor formula will be applied only one time to predict the value, what may be the answer. It may contain some error. So when we apply the corrector formula, so that error will be rectified and we get the better accuracy. But remember, we have to apply the corrector formula minimum 2 times here. So we continue this process till we get consistency in 2 consecutive values of y4. That means when 2 values of y4 are repeated, we can stop the procedure. So this is a common procedure we can use in order to solve a first order, first degree ordinary differential equations using a predictor corrector methods here, Milnes or Adams-Bashforth. Now in the next slide, we will see how we can solve a problem by using this working procedure. So we'll solve some problem related to Milnes and then some problems related to Adams-Bashforth.
Okay, so let us start the first problem on Milnes predictor corrector formula. Given dy by dx is equal to x minus y square and the data y of 0 is equal to 0, y of 0.2 is equal to 0.02, y of 0.4 is equal to 0.0795, y of 0.6 equals 0.1762. Find y at x is equal to 0.8 by using Milnes predictor corrector method. So this is the problem here, and as we know, according to the procedure, the first step is we'll write the given data first. So given dy by dx is equal to x minus y square, and we know that dy by dx can be written as y dash. So this expression can be rewritten as y dash is equal to x minus y square. And the data given here is, see the values of x naught, the left hand side indicates the values of x here. This is x naught, x1, x2, x3. So let us make a list of them. X naught is 0, I mean this value. Then x1 is 0.2. Next x2 is 0.4. Then x3 is 0.6. So corresponding y values. So you know y naught is 0, this one. Next y1 is 0.02. Next y2 is equal to 0.0795 and y3 is 0.1762. So these values are written once again. Now the first step is construction of a table here, data table. So the relevant table for a given data is, so your data table should contain the values of x, then y, then y dash, and you know y dash is x minus y square, the given relation. And we know x values are x naught, that is 0, x1 is 0.2, next x2 is 0.4, then x3 is 0.6. And there is a one more point here, so we have to find y at x is equal to 0.8. So this point, let us take it as x4. x4 is 0.8. So x4 is the point where I want a final solution. Now the corresponding y values are y0, it is 0. Next y1 is 0.02. Next y2 equals 0.0795, y3 0.1762, and y4 we need to find. Now corresponding y dash values. So the first one is y0 dash. So how to get y0 dash? See, y dash is x minus y square. Y0 dash becomes, put x is equal to x0, y is equal to y0 in this. So it is something like x0 minus y0 square. So I'll substitute these values directly here. So it is 0 minus 0 square. It gives 0. Next is y1 dash. What is y1 dash? So x is 0.2, y is 0.02. That you substitute here. It is 0.2 minus 0.02 whole square. So if I simplify this, we get the value of y1 dash. So it comes around 0.1996. Use your calculators. Next, y2 dash. So y2 dash equals, so it is y2 dash is equal to, so put the value, it is 0.4 minus 0.0795 whole square. So simplify this, we get 0.3937. Now similarly y3 dash. So y3 dash is again same, 0.6 minus this value, 0.1762 whole square. Just put these values in the main equation and simplify, you get what is y3 dash. This is 0.5689 and y4 dash we don't know. Right? So this is the first step here. So construct a data table consisting the values of x, y and y dash. Now after this, according to the working procedure, you have to find the predictor value. So we use a Milnes predictor formula. We know that y4 power p, Milnes predictor formula is given by, it is y0 plus 4h by 3 into 2y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2y3 dash. Already I told how to remember this. You know the values of this y1 dash, y2 dash, y3 dash and even y0. The problem is this h, and h is step length. So how to calculate h? So just take a difference of any two consecutive values of x. So if I subtract here, h is 0.2 minus 0. So it gives 0.2. So this is how we can find the value of step length. Substitute in this. What is y0? y0 is 0 plus 4 into h is 0.2 divided by 3 into 2 y1 dash. What is y1 dash? 0.1996 minus y2 dash. y2 dash is 0.3937 plus 2 into y3 dash. y3 dash is 0.5689. So if I simplify this, use your calculators and simplify, we get the predicted value for this problem. So if you use your calculator and solve, so it comes around 0.3049. So this is the predicted value for a problem. So now, once you find the predicted value, next you have to find the corrector. But remember, to find the corrector value in the formula, there is a term y4 dash. y4 dash is there in the corrector formula. So we don't have y4 dash here. So let us calculate y4 dash first. So how to find y4 dash? See, we have y4 dash equals. So y dash is x minus y square. So y4 dash becomes, it is x4 minus y4 square. And what is x4 here? x4 0.8 minus y4. y4, it is unknown here, but we got y4 power p, the predicted value for y4. So let us use that predicted value for y4 here. So if I use that value here, it is 0.3049 whole square. Now calculate this, we get the value of y4 dash, and the value of this one is 0.7071. 7071 will come. Now let us apply character formula. We know that again y4 power c, the character formula equals. So what is the character formula? It is y2 plus h by 3 into 141. That is y2 dash plus 4y3 dash plus y4 dash. So this is our Milne's character formula. So substitute the values and simplify. This implies y4 power c equals y2. What is y2? 0.0795 plus h is 0.2 divided by 3 into, substitute these values from the table. So y2 dash, what is y2 dash? 0.3937 plus 4 into y3 dash. What is y3 dash? 0.5689 plus y4 dash. See, y4 dash we cannot get from the table, but already we have done, so we have calculated, right? So it is plus 0.7071. So substitute and calculate, you get what is y4 power c. So if you calculate this, so it comes around 0.3046. So this is the corrected value for y4. So so already we got predicted and corrected, but when it comes to predicted character formula, we have to apply character formula minimum twice. So once already we have applied, so I have to repeat this process again to get a better accuracy. So how to repeat it? So anyway, you know, to apply character formula, I need y4 dash, and this y4 dash is calculated by using predictor value. Now let us calculate y4 dash again by using this character value. So I'll repeat from this step onwards. So now y4 dash is equal to, so again same, x4 minus y4 square. So x4 it is 0.8 minus y4 square. See, y4 earlier we have used this value 0.3049. So now we have to use 0.3046 whole square. So simplify this, we get 0.7070. So this is the value of y4 dash we get. So it is almost same. So once we get this y4 dash, so substitute again in this character formula and calculate, you will going to get the same answer here. And that will be the final solution of a problem. So let us see how to calculate. Again, we apply the character formula now. y4 power c equals, see the character formula already we have written, so directly I'll show the substitution. So now the difference is, just a minute, see this, see here the y4 power c, the formula is here, so we have to substitute the values of y2, h, y2 dash, etc. Only the value of y4 dash will change. So in the previous step, the value of y4 dash is substituted from this result, which is calculated by using predictor value. Now the y4 dash we will substitute from this step, which was calculated by using character value. That means we will change only the last value. So we'll repeat now. The 0.0795 plus 0.2 divided by 3 into 0.3937 plus 4 into 0.5689 plus 0.7070. So use your calculator and simplify this. We get y4 power c is equal to, we get 0.3046. So this is the second corrected value. Now if you compare two corrected values, so both are same, right? So we can conclude that therefore the value of y at x equals 0.8, right? The given value of x is 0.8 here. So the value of y at x is equal to 0.8 is 0.3046. So this is the required solution. This is how we can solve a problem by using Milne's predictor corrector formula. Okay, so in the last problem we have discussed how to solve a problem by using Milne's predictor corrector formula. So now we shall discuss how to solve a problem by using Adams-Bashforth predictor corrector method, or I can say Adams-Bashforth predictor corrector formula. So as I told while discussing the method, Milne's and Adams method procedure is same. For both it is a common procedure. The only thing is when you choose Adams-Bashforth method, you will apply the formula related to Adams-Bashforth predictor corrector, and you are using Milne's method means the predictor corrector formula of Milne's you are going to use, but the procedure is same table you have to write. So in the last problem, table first step you have written, next Milne's predictor you have used. So here also same, you will write a table first. Instead of Milne's predictor formula, you will use Adams-Bashforth predictor. So wherever Milne's predictor we have used, let us use Adams-Bashforth predictor, and wherever Milne's corrector formula we have used, in this problem we use Adams-Bashforth corrector formula. So this is the only difference. So let us see how we can solve a problem by using the procedure what we have discussed already. So solution. So you know the first step of your predictor corrector method, so it may be Milne's or Adams, is construction of the relevant table for a data. So straight away I'll write a data table. The relevant table for a given data is, so we know our data table should consist the values of x, then the values of y, then the value of y dash, and you know y dash is dy by dx, and in this problem this is 2e power x minus y. Now we'll make a list of x, y values and all. So what are the x values? So here it is the data given 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and x, that is 0.4 also. So I'll write these values as x naught is equal to 0, then x1 equals 0.1, x2 equals 0.2, x3 is equal to 0.3, and I'll write x4, it is 0.4. So this is the point where I want to find a final solution. Now the corresponding y values are y naught, it is given 2, this one, then y1 it is 2.010, next y2 it is 2.040, then y3 2.090, and y4 is unknown, so that we need to calculate. Now let us find the corresponding derivative values, y naught dash. So what is y naught dash? See, y dash is 2e power x minus y. So y naught dash becomes 2 into e power x. So in place of x, let us substitute this value. So corresponding to these values, let us calculate y dash. So when x is 0 and y is 2, it becomes 2 e power 0 minus 2. So this comes around 0 because e power 0 is 1, 2 minus 2, 0. Next, similarly, y1 dash is equal to this 2 e power x. What is x now? 0.1 minus y. What is y? 2.010. So simplify this, we get the value of y1 dash. It is 0.2003. Use your calculators. Now next, y2 dash. It is 2 into e power x. What is x now? 0.2 minus y. What is y? 2.040. Simplify this. So this, it is 0.4028. And similarly, y3 dash is 2 e power x, 0.3 minus 2.090. So simplify this, it is 0.6097. And y4 dash is unknown. So this is the first step here, construction of a data table. So once you construct a data table, according to the procedure, you have to find the predicted value for a problem. So let us use the Adams-Bashforth predictor formula and we find what is y4 power p. We know that y4 power p, that means Adams-Bashforth predictor formula is given by, it is y3 plus h by 24 into 55 y3 dash minus 59 y2 dash plus 37 y1 dash minus 9 y0 dash. So this is our Adams-Bashforth predictor formula. So you know the values of this y0 dash, y1 dash, y2 dash, y3 dash and h. And what is h here? Subtract here. H is nothing but difference of these two, 0.1 minus 0. So it gives 0.1. Substitute now. This is equal to y3 2.090 plus h 0.1 divided by 24 into this is 55 y3 dash. It is 0.6097 minus 59 y2 dash 0.4028 plus 37 into y1 dash 0.2003 minus 9 into y0 dash is 0. Right? So the values from the table we substitute and we calculate what is y4 power p now. So use your calculator and simplify this. We get 2.1616. So this is the predicted value for a problem. So this is how we can calculate the predicted value using Adams-Bashforth predictor formula. So once we get a predictor value, the next step according to your working rule is calculate what is y4 dash, because you have to calculate the corrector value next. To calculate the corrector value, I need y4 dash. So let us calculate y4 dash first. So y dash is 2 e power x minus y. So y4 dash becomes, it is 2 e power, in place of x you get x4 minus, in place of y it is y4. Let us substitute the values. This is 2 e power x4. What is x4? We have written already here. It is 0.4 minus y4. See, y4 is unknown here. Right? So, how to write this y4 now? See, already we got an estimated value of y4. It is just a prediction. Let us use that value and we calculate what is y4 dash. So, in place of y4, I'll write the predicted value, that is 2.1616. So, simplify this, we get what is y4 dash. So, this comes around 0.822. So, this is the value of y4 dash. Now we'll apply corrector formula to find the corrected value, y4 power c. So what is Adams-Bashforth corrector formula? It is y3 plus h by 24 into, this is 9y4 dash plus 19y3 dash minus 5y2 dash plus y1 dash. So this is Adams-Bashforth corrector formula. Now let us substitute the values of this y1 dash, y2 dash, y3 dash, y4 dash in this. So substitute the values. Y3, it is 2.090 plus h is 0.1 by 24 into 9 y4 dash. So what is y4 dash here? We have already calculated. It is 0.822 plus 19 y3 dash. So y3 dash is 0.6097. You can see from the table. Next, minus 5 into y2 dash. So it is 0.4028. The last term plus y1 dash, and y1 dash is 0.2003. So the values are substituted here. So use your calculator and find what is y4 power c, the corrected value of y. So the corrected value of y here is, it is 2.1615. Remember, whatever the predicted value you're going to get, so almost same answer should come for corrector value also. Right, so you should not get much difference between predictor and corrector values. So this is the corrected value. But in predictor corrector procedures, we must apply the corrector formula 2 times. The reason is, this is just a prediction. This is the correction. If there is any error, it is reduces and it gives the corrected value. But we don't know whether it is a better accuracy. So to check whether it is a better accuracy, whether it is a approximate solution or not, let us repeat this corrector step once again. Now how to repeat? To apply corrector formula, I need y4 dash. This is the formula which includes y4 dash. But y4 dash here, whatever we have, it is calculated by using this predictor value. Now what I am going to do is, let us calculate this y4 dash once again by using the corrector value. By using this, let us calculate y4 dash, use that y4 dash again in this corrector formula and calculate, you get the corrected value once again. And that can be rated as better accuracy. So let us repeat now. Now again, y4 dash equals, the formula is 2e power x4 minus y4, the same thing. This is 2e power x4 is 0.4 minus y4. So earlier y4 we have substituted this value, you can observe. Now in place of this, I'll use corrector value 2.1615. So simplify this, you get y4 dash once again. So here we get 0.8221. So once we get y4 dash, again by apply corrector formula, again by CF, that is corrector formula, y4 power c equals, now already we have written the corrector formula, so I am not going to write the formula once again. So directly I will substitute the values in this. So by substituting, you can observe all the values are same, y1 dash, y2 dash, y3 dash, y3, h and all. Only this y4 dash will change, because y4 dash in the previous step you have substituted this 0.822. Now in place of this 0.822, I will substitute new y4 dash, that is 0.8221. That means I will change only this value, keeping all other values same, and then I will calculate. So let us repeat now. It is 2.090 plus 0.1 by 24 into this is 9. Now the new value is 0.8221 plus 19 into 6097 minus 5 into 0.4028 plus 0.2003. So just this value is changed. See this. Now use your calculator and find out the answer of this. So this comes around 2.1615 only. The same answer will come. So the value should be repeated. So once the value is repeated, you can stop the procedure and you can conclude. So the value of y at x is equal to, what is x here? 0.4. So that is y of 0.4 is 2.1615. So this is the required solution of your problem. This is how we can solve a problem by using Adams-Bashforth predictor corrector formula. Okay, so now we shall discuss the third problem. So given dy by dx is equal to x square plus y by 2 and the data y of 1 is equal to 2, y of 1.1 is 2.2156, y of 1.2 2.4649, y of 1.3 is 2.7514. Find y of 1.4 using A. Milne's method, B. Adams-Bashforth method. So this is the problem we have to solve by using both the methods, Milne's or Adams-Bashforth. Remember, in the exam they are going to ask any one method. Either they will ask Milne's or they are going to ask Adams-Bashforth predictor corrector method. So already you know how to solve a problem by using Milne's method and as well as by using Adams-Bashforth method. Your problem number 1 and 2 are respectively belongs to these two methods. Now in these two methods the procedure is common, as you know, right? The first step is construction of a table. Then you will take a predictor formula, then y4 dash you will calculate, then corrector formula, again calculate y4 dash, using that y4 dash calculate corrector formula, calculate corrected value once again. So this is the procedure. And suppose you are using Milne's method, means you will use Milne's predictor corrector formula, and you are using Adams-Bashforth method, means you will use the predictor corrector formula of your Adams-Bashforth method. So only the formula are different, but the procedure is common. So the first step is construction of a table, which is common for both the methods. Let us do that first. Solution. So first I will construct a relevant table for the data. The relevant table for a given data is, so this is the data table common for both the methods. You know, the data table should contain x values first, then y values, then y dash, and you know y dash here is dy by dx, that is x square plus y by 2. Enter the values. So what are the x values? You know, it is x values are these 1, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, right? So these values I'll take it as x naught equals, first one 1, then x1 equals 1.1, x2 equals 1.2, this value, x3 equals 1.3, and you have one more value of x, that is the point where I want to find a final solution, that I will take it as x4. x4 is 1.4, and the corresponding y values are, y naught is, what is y naught? First value 2, y1 is 2.2156, y2 is equal to 2.4649, y3 equals 2.7514, and y4 is unknown, we need to calculate. Now let us find the values of derivatives, y naught dash, y1 dash, y2 dash, y3 dash, etc. and y4 dash is unknown here. So what is y naught dash? See, y dash is x square plus y by 2. Y naught dash means in place of x we'll put 1 and in place of y we put y2. Corresponding to these two values, whatever the value will come will be taken as y naught dash. Substitute now. 1 means 1 square plus y. Y is 2 by 2. So if I simplify this, we get 2. So next, it is 1.1 whole square plus y is 2.2156 divided by 2. Calculate this, you get y1 dash. It is 2.3178. Next, y2 dash, substitute these values. 1.2 whole square plus y, that is 2.4649 divided by 2. Simplify this, you get 2.67245. Now y3 dash, it is 1.3 whole square plus 2.7514 divided by 2. Calculate this, it is 3.0657. So this is the data table here. So this is a unique table, common table for Milner's method as well as for Adams-Bashforth method. So now once the table is over, now let us start applying a method. So here in the problem they said first apply Milner's method. So let us solve by using Milner's method first. I'll write A, Milner's method. Right. So now you know, to solve a problem by using Milner's method, first you have to find a predicted value using Milner's predictor formula, which is given by y4 power p equals, it is y naught plus 4h by 3 into 2y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2y3 dash. So this is the Milner's predictor formula. Now the value of y naught, it is given here, y1 dash, y2 dash, y3 dash, we can get from this table. Now h, and you know h can be calculated like this. H is difference of these two, 1.1 minus 1, it gives 0.1, the value of h. Now substitute the values here. This is equal to, what is y naught? 2 plus 4 into h is 0.1 divided by 3 into 2 y1 dash. What is y1 dash? 2.3178 minus y2 dash. What is y2 dash? 2.67245 plus 2 into y3 dash, and y3 dash is 3.0657. Now simplify this using your calculator, you get y4 power p, the predicted value. So for this problem, if you use your calculator and solve, we get 3.0793. This is the predictor value for a problem according to Milner's method. So once you get this, you know the next step is calculation of y4 dash. We have y4 dash. See, I need y4 dash to find out corrected value. And what is y4 dash? So you know y dash is x square plus y by 2. So y4 dash becomes what? X power 4 square plus y power y4 divided by 2. Substitute now. X4, you know, it is 1.4. So it is 1.4 whole square plus y4. See, y4 it is unknown here. So I cannot get the value of y4 from the table. So what I can do, in place of y4, I will use the predictor value. It is 3.0793 divided by this 2. So simplify this, we get y4 dash value. So this comes around 3.49965. This is the value of y4 dash. So once we get y4 dash, the next step is we can apply the corrector formula. Now, by CF. CF stands for corrector formula. And what is the corrector formula? y4 power c equals, it is y2 plus h by 3 into 141. That is y2 dash plus 4y3 dash plus y4 dash. So this is the Milne's corrector formula. So you know the values, substitute now. This is equal to, what is y2? 2.4649 plus h is 0.1. 0.1 by 3 into y2 dash. What is y2 dash? It is 2.67245 plus 4 into y3 dash. What is y3 dash? 3.0657 plus y4 dash. And what is y4 dash? We have calculated here. 3.49965. So simplify this. We get the corrector value y4 power c. So the corrector value, use your calculator and simplify, you get 3.0794. So this is the corrected value. And once we get a corrected value, check with the predictor. The predictor is 3.0793, corrector is 3.0794. So you should get a answer like this. If the predictor and corrector are different, so there may be something wrong in your calculations, right? So whatever the predicted value will come, almost same answer will come in the corrector formula. Now this is the first corrected, and already I told, in case of predictor corrector methods, the corrector formula we should apply minimum 2 times. So to apply corrector formula again, I need to repeat from this step. I mean from y4 dash. We'll repeat now. Again, y4 dash equals, so formula is x4 square plus y4 by 2. This is equal to x4 is common, 1.4 whole square plus y4. See, earlier y4 we have used predicted value. Now we use the recently obtained, that is corrector value. Instead of 3.0793, we put 3.0794 divided by 2. So if you simplify this, we get y4 dash once again. So this comes around 3.4997. Almost same answers will come. Now using this y4 dash, we'll calculate the corrected value once again using this formula. I'm not going to write the formula again. So just I'll substitute. And you can observe that all these values remain same. Only the y4 dash will change, because y4 dash earlier we have used this. Now in place of this y4 dash we have to use this value. See, here we have used 3.49965. Earlier we have used 3.49965 here. So now in place of this I'll put 3.4997. So I'll repeat up to this. So just change the value here and calculate. So therefore y4 power c equals, I'll repeat now, 2.4649 plus 0.1 divided by 3 into this is 2.67245 plus 4 into 3.0657 plus, write this value, 3.4997. So the last value is changed. So use your calculator and calculate this. We get y4 power c equals, so the same answer will come. It is 3.0794. So use your calculator and do it. Whatever the first time you got in corrector formula, the same answer will come once again. So once the two values are repeated, we can stop the procedure and conclude. So get y at x equals what? 1.4. So y of 1.4 equals, it is 3.0794. So this is the required solution of your problem according to Milne's predictor corrector formula. Okay, so now we shall solve the same problem by using the second method, that is Adams-Bashforth method now. So same procedure, you have to change only the formula. So first, as usual, we start with predictor formula. So we know that y4 power p Adams-Bashforth predictor formula is given by y3 plus h by 24 into, this is 55 y3 dash minus 59 y2 dash plus 37 y1 dash minus 9 y0 dash. So this is the formula here. Now let us substitute the values. So the values of this already we have in the table. So those values I will substitute directly. So these values are ready. We'll substitute now. First y3. What is y3? 2.7514 and h is 0.1 by 24 into this is 55 y3 dash. And what is y3 dash? 3.0657 minus 59 y2 dash. The y2 dash is 2.67245 plus 37 y1 dash. So y1 dash is 2.3178 minus 9 into y0 dash, and y0 dash is 2. So the values from the table are substituted. Now use your calculator and simplify this. We get y4 power p equals, it is 3.0793. The same answer we got in Milne's method. So here also we get same thing. So this is how we can find the predicted value using Adams-Bashforth. Now once you get the predicted value, you know the next step is y4 dash, and this already we did. It is just a repetition. So the formula is, it is x4 square plus y4 by 2. So x4 means it is 1.4, you know, 1.4 whole square plus y4. y4 means the predicted value use, 3.0793 divided by 2. So if I simplify this, we get y4 dash, and this comes around 3.49965. So this is y4 dash. So once we get this, you know the next step is you have to find a corrector value. So let us use Adams-Bashforth corrector formula. Now by C of y4 power c equals, write the Adams-Bashforth corrector formula. It is y3 plus h by 24 into 919, that is 9 y4 dash plus 19 y3 dash minus 5 y2 dash plus y1 dash. So this is our Adams-Bashforth corrector formula. So substitute the values. y3, you know, it is 2.7514 plus h is 0.1 by 24 into 9 y4 dash. So y4 dash we have calculated here. Let us use that. 3.49965 plus 19 into y3 dash. So y3 dash already we have substituted. Let us use the same value. 3.0657 minus 5 y2 dash. y2 dash is 2.67245 plus y1 dash, and y1 dash is 2.3178. So the values are substituted. Use your calculator and calculate this. So this will give you 3.0794. So this is the corrected value. And if you observe, here also same. The predictor and corrector values are almost same. So once we get the answers like this, we can calculate the corrector value once again and you can conclude your answer. But to find the corrector value once again, you have to repeat from this step. So again, y4 dash equals, it is x4 square plus y4 by 2. x4 is 1.4. 1.4 whole square, same formula, y4. We have used 3.0793 in the earlier case. Now we have to use 3.0794. So simplify this, we get y4 dash. And this comes around 3.4997. Now using this y4 dash, I'll calculate corrector value once again. That means in place of this, I will substitute this value, keeping all other values as it is. So I'll not write the formula once again. I'll just change this value by this one and I will calculate. So therefore, by C of y4 power c equals, it is 2.7514, this value, plus 0.1 by 4 into 9 into, so instead of this, I have to use this value now, 3.4997 plus 19 into this, 3.0657 minus 5 into 2.67245 plus 2.3178. Now use your calculator and simplify this. You get y4 power c equals, it is 3.0794 once again. So we got two consecutive corrector values. So consistency we got. So we can conclude the answer. So therefore, the value of y at x equals 1.4 is 3.0794. The same answer we got in Milne's method also. So only the formulas are different, but the procedure of solving the problem in both the methods is same. This is how we can solve a problem by using either Milne's or Adams-Bashforth predictor-corrector formula. Problem for practice. Given dy by dx equals 1 plus y square and the data y of 0 equals 0, y of 0.2 equals 0.2027, y of 0.4 equals 0.4228, y of 0.6 equals 0.6841. Compute y of 0.8 and correct to 4 decimal places by applying first one Milne's predictor corrector formula, second one Adams-Bashforth method. So try this problem using the procedure whatever so far we have discussed. So the problem 3 we have done by using both the methods Milne's as well as Adams-Bashforth. In the same way, try this problem. All the best. Thank you.